Add it to the list of things lawmakers can't agree on and file it under immigration.
That what we have now today in place in this country is a disaster that needs to be addressed.
Lawmakers on the Senate Foreign Relations Committee clashed Thursday on how to quickly address the surge of unaccompanied minors over the southwest border. Senate Republicans want to change policy, but unlike their House counterparts, they're not blaming the 2008 immigration law for today's issues. They say the blame rests on a 2012 policy change made by President Obama that stopped deportation of some young immigrants who meet certain criteria.
I think it's unfortunate and counterproductive to ignore both the reality and the applications of our immigration laws and the impact that that's having on this crisis.
Some say Republicans are jumping to the wrong conclusion. State Department Counselor Thomas Shannon told lawmakers Thursday the crisis is more reflective of what's happening in Central America than here in the States.
You have economic distress in the region.
Are you telling me that his executive order, we're not going to send children back, didn't cause an explosion when people understood that if they got here, that they weren't going to have to go back anymore? Are you denying that that has anything to do with the explosion of numbers?
What I'm saying is that the traffickers, you have a marketing strategy.
Democrats say a change in the law could deny some the constitutional right to a fair trial.
I oppose the changing of the existing law. There is a reason why that law was passed. So I understand the desire to accelerate the process, but accelerating without due process is not acceptable.
I think we can do, under that law, the right thing for these children and the right thing for our nation. And that's what we're balancing.
But for now, the balance is stuck as both sides of the aisle grapple with a possible change in policy and what that could mean for due process.